Once, in a quiet village, lived an old man named Ramesh who was known for his wisdom. He had a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers and fruits. Every morning, he would tend to his garden with great care, making sure each plant was healthy. One day, a young boy from the village asked, "Uncle Ramesh, why do you spend so much time on your garden? You could just buy these fruits from the market." Ramesh smiled and replied, "Let me tell you a story. Years ago, I was just like you, impatient and always looking for shortcuts. I used to buy fruit from the market too. But one day I planted a seed. It grew into a tree, but it took time. At first I saw no results. I was frustrated, but I kept watering it. Eventually, the tree grew strong and gave me the sweetest fruits, far better than the ones I bought. The joy of nurturing it myself was worth every moment of patience." The boy thought for a moment and asked, "So the secret is patience?" Ramesh nodded. "Yes, patience and effort. Anything worthwhile in life takes time and care. Quick solutions may give you results now, but true satisfaction comes from persistence." The boy smiled and thanked Ramesh for his wisdom. He went home and planted a seed of his own, promising to nurture it daily. Over time, he learned the joy of watching it grow, realizing the truth in Ramesh's words. Moral: patience and consistent effort lead to the best rewards, while shortcuts often miss the deeper value of hard work.